What if I told you the sport in Honda Fit Sport Manual isn't just a fancy badge, but a promise of a peppy, practical ride that's got a cult following? Today, we're diving deep into the 2020 Honda Fit Sport Manual. Yes, the last of its kind in North America. From hidden costs to driving thrills, I've driven it, worked on it, and I'm spilling all the tea. Buckle up, because you won't believe what I discovered about this pint-sized powerhouse. Welcome back to the channel where we break down the real deal on your favorite rides. I'm your host, and today we're putting the 2020 Honda Fit Sport Manual under the microscope. I've spent a week driving this zippy hatchback and even got my hands dirty under the hood. Let's see if this stick-shift subcompact still holds up in 2025. The Honda Fit Sport Manual is the enthusiast's choice in a sea of CVTs. That sport badge means 16-inch alloy wheels, fog lights, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and a 6-speed stick that's rarer than a unicorn in 2025. It's powered by a 1.5-liter four-cylinder, pumping out 130 horsepower, modest but lively. In 2025, the Fit's discontinued status makes it a hot commodity. Used prices range from $15,500 for a base LX to $20,000 for a loaded Sport, depending on mileage and condition. But here's the kicker. Some dealers are jacking up prices due to the manual's cult status. Watch out for private sellers hyping low mileage without service records. Always demand a Carfax. My take? It's a fair deal if you snag one under $18,000, but don't overpay for the hype. Avoid Fits with sketchy maintenance histories or signs of heavy city abuse, like worn clutches from stop-and-go traffic. Check for rust in northern climates, especially on 2010-2013 models. Let's talk money. Maintenance on the Fit is generally wallet-friendly, averaging $343 to $390 annually, cheaper than the $428 Honda average. But there are quirks. The 2007-2016 models are prone to ignition coil failures, costing up to $500 to fix. My own Fit needed a new clutch at 60,000 miles, $1,200 at a shop, but I did it myself for $400 in parts. Starters on 2015 models can also fail, running $730 to replace. Insurance? Expect $35 to $38 a month with companies like Lemonade, though rates climb in states like Texas, $70 to $78. That's reasonable for a subcompact, but the Sport label can bump premiums slightly due to its zippy rep. Fuel efficiency? Honda claims 29 city, 36 highway mpg for the manual. In my week of mixed driving, I averaged 32 mpg, solid, but not class-leading. City commuters will love it, but don't expect hybrid-level savings. The Fit's magic seats are pure genius. They fold flat or flip up, creating a 52.7 cubic foot cargo area that swallowed my road bike and camping gear with ease. I hauled a 4-foot plant for a friend, no sweat. This thing's a TARDIS, bigger inside than out. Driving the Sport Manual? It's a hoot. The 6-speed shifter is slick with short throws that make every gear change satisfying. The 130 horses won't pin you back, but the nimble handling and responsive steering make corner carving a blast. I took it through some back roads, and it felt like a go-kart. Stiff ride, sure, but that's the trade-off for fun. Owners on Reddit echo this, calling it a joy to drive despite the cheap interior plastics. Reliability? RepairPal gives it a stellar 4.5 with only 0.4 shop visits per year. My Fit's been rock solid at 70,000 miles, though I've heard of 2015 models with seat comfort issues and paint peeling. Stick to 2019-2020 for the best reliability. Fit owners love modding. Common upgrades include aftermarket wheels, $800 to $1,500, cold air intakes, $200, and suspension kits, $500 to $1,000 for better handling. I tossed on a set of 16-inch Anke rims, and it transformed the look without breaking the bank. Be warned, overmodding can hurt resale value if not done tastefully. Tech upgrades are a must for older Fits. I swapped the stock radio for a $300 Android Auto Apple CarPlay unit, game changer for navigation and music. Bolt-on kits are easy to find online, and YouTube tutorials make it DIY friendly. Resale? The Fit holds strong, depreciating only 28% after 5 years. My 2020 Sport's current value is around $13,350, down $5,600 from purchase. Low mileage manuals fetch top dollar, so keep it clean and maintained. Let's crunch the numbers. Over 5 years, assuming 15,000 miles annually, expect depreciation, $5,600, insurance, $2,135 a month, fuel, $3,750, 350 gal, 32 maintenance repairs, $715 is $950, or total $1,365 or $2,633 a year. Who's the fit sport for? City dwellers, young drivers, or enthusiasts craving a manual with practicality. Avoid it if you need a quiet highway cruiser. The cabin's noisy. Alternatives? The 2025 Toyota Corolla hatchback offers better refinement for $22,000, or a used Mazda 3 manual for similar fun at $18,000. But neither matches the Fit's cargo versatility. The 2020 Honda Fit Sport manual is a quirky, fun, and practical gem that's hard to beat for the price. It's not perfect, but it's got heart. Have you owned a Fit? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more car reviews. Until next time, keep shifting and stay safe.